Let's make 2 fall decor crafts using dollar store pumpkins. For this first craft, I am using foam pumpkins from Walmart. These are priced at $1.14 and they have a nice variety of colors and shapes. These battery-powered tea lights are from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to insert these in the top of each pumpkin by tracing the candle, cutting out the circle with a hot knife, and removing that part of the foam. Once I had all the candle openings cut out, I used this wood plank from Dollar Tree to group the pumpkins together. And I just used my hot glue to tack each one onto the plank. Then to add a little color, I used this sunflower bunch from Walmart, and all I had to do here was make a little hole with a pencil and push the top of the flower in. A couple of berry stems at the base camouflage the wood plank, and we have this cute fall pumpkin display that can go anywhere a little accent is needed. For this next pumpkin craft, I'm using this pumpkin sign from Dollar Tree. I started by removing the jute string and that raffia bow, but I'm not worried about the leaf because I am using the back of this sign. I am going to use these craft sticks along with this cutting tool to create a herringbone pattern on the pumpkin. I am keeping the length of the craft sticks and just using the tool to cut off the rounded ends. You could do this with scissors, but this tool just makes for a nice clean cut. And once I had that first stick cut, I used that one to measure the rest so I had even lengths. There is more than one way to start the herringbone pattern, but here is how I did it. I made a line down the center of the pumpkin, then made another line at a 45-degree angle to the center line. Once I start placing my craft sticks, the first one goes along that angled line, and the second one gets placed perpendicular to the first, creating a 90-degree angle. On the next line, I alternate and place the other side, also creating a 90-degree angle with that very first stick, and repeat. Using hot glue made this craft nice and easy, but I'm not gonna lie, it is a long process. When I got to the edge of the pumpkin, I cut the craft sticks to a more manageable size. And here's what it looks like all covered. Now to finish it off, I flipped it over and used a utility knife to cut off the excess. I did a little sanding around the edges and cleaned it up really well. And for a decorative touch, I added a couple of faux leather leaves from Dollar Tree for a super trendy fall decor piece. Give this video a like if you enjoyed these projects, and check out the video on the screen for more craft ideas.